Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own 2025 recap video using CapCut PC. So stop spending hours on complicated edits. Here I'm going to show you how you can quickly import your best photos and videos and apply the trending year in review templates. You can start by clicking on the create project options on CapCut PC. Then just click on the templates options in here, and then you'll just find the category new year under the templates, and you'll see lots of 2025 recap video templates that you can choose. You can just click on the templates that you want to use, and to review it you can just click on it like this. For example, I'm going to just use one of them. Okay, let's say this one's right here, 2025 moments. And if you want to use it, you need to download it first and then just click on a plus button to add it on track. And now you can just import all your 2025 footage into the CapCut template. Click on this. 14 clips will be replaced. Click on this button, and then you can just click on replace on each of this footage and import your own. And after that, your recap video will be done. So no complicated edits, you can just import and export. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.